Hi, I'm Paul from WFP Fire Security Electrical. If your site uses advanced fire alarm panels or you're considering one, you're in safe hands. We've been installing advanced fire alarm control panels for over a decade. Our engineers and clients absolutely love them because they're simple to use. Advanced panels are known for their reliability, intuitive controls and network capability, which is ideal for small, large or multi-building sites. We install, commission and maintain advanced systems in line with BS 5839, ensuring they're configured correctly and fully supported. Our engineers are trained to program and fault find on these panels, meaning you get fast resolutions and minimal downtime. And because we're BAFE approved, you can rest assured that our standards are high. All our installations come with our 5-year warranty and full documentation for your fire logbook and insurance records. For support with your advanced panel, give us a call on 01277 622 932 or fill out the form on this page.